How to use indirect object pronouns in a sentence. So let's see here. So in English, we would say, I send the letter to David. Okay, so I send the letter to David is replaced by I send the letter to him. Okay, so we can say to him, or you can say I send him the letter. Both are correct in English. Okay, I send the letter to him, I send him the letter. And in Italian, we have kind of the same thing. So you can either put it here or there, depending on where you want to put the emphasis. So we have Io mando la lettera a Davide is our original sentence. And then if we're using the indirect object pronouns, we can say Io mando la lettera a lui. So I send the letter to him. Or you can say Io gli mando la lettera. Okay, I to him send the letter. Okay, so that's where it can get a little bit confusing between English and Italian, is just the placement of the direct and indirect object pronouns before the verb, because we're not really used to doing that in English. So it does get a little, it takes a little getting used to, but with some practice, you'll get it.